I actually hadn't been to a seminar before. We've just been doing it at home with the book, and to see both Barbara and Inga actually sort of, getting you to stand up and do it in the air, and the sort of, they're great teachers, and there's a sense of fun and elegance and simplicity about the whole seminar, and I love the quotes and the history of handwriting. I learn new things. Cacography, for instance, is not a word that I had known before, so it was just terrific.
In the business world, and I realized the importance of handwritten thank you notes, and I want to be more comfortable with my handwriting style.
Her handwriting is actually pretty amazing. She inspired me. So my handwriting is atrocious, and hopefully this will make it a lot better. And then she'll keep me honest with it, because she'll say, "Daddy, I can't read that."
I enjoy it, and I came because I feel my writing is very schizophrenic. I have in one page a lot of different styles of letter forms, and I'd like to have it more consistent.
I've got too tight of a grip on my pencil, and it's important to have a good grip, like it is for golf to have a good grip.
Why did I come today? To get some neater handwriting and to keep my hubby company. So far, I'm trying to get used to the new way of holding my pencil so that I don't make this bump worse. So that's interesting. And then I discovered I do a backslant on my writing, so I'm trying to get it to go the other way. So that's interesting too.
My wife and I took some trips, and we have a habit of sending postcards back to our 6 grandchildren from the various countries we visit, so that they get the stamps and everything. The 2 oldest are in college, so I could scribble something off to them, but the 4 youngest are all just entering school, and that meant printing the postcards, and that's when I really started practicing the italic, and that's helped a lot to bring my legibility up to where it is today.
And it was a revelation, because I realized that not only do I happen to teach Italian Renaissance art, and I love the humanist script and things, but I've had terrible handwriting for a long time, and I dutifully write papers, comments on my students' papers, and I do it quickly, and they're not always legible. And at one point, one of my students said to me, "I wish I could read all these comments that you're writing down," and I realized, boy, I really need to work on my handwriting. And so it was really serendipity when I met Barbara and I started working on the Write Now program and doing the basic italic, and it's something my wife and I do together. We love it. It's very meditative, and my handwriting has improved immeasurably, so I think that they've helped me in a tremendous way, and I highly recommend their program.
I'm having fun, and I'm sitting beside my grandson, and it's fun to watch him make an effort to improve his 5th grade handwriting.
I'm more conscious of it, and I'm finding a few things that I've been slipping into a bad habit about, and I got those corrected today.
I hope to have writing that I can show to my students, and they'll easily be able to recognize what it is I've written.
I think that they're absolutely right that writing is an essential skill, and like all kinds of sort of literacy, mathematical, historical, it's something that we have to work to maintain, so I'm glad they're doing it.